In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send and receive emails in Clickup. To get started, go into your Clickup workspace and open the settings area. From there, look for the section called Email Integration. This is where Clickup keeps all the options that let you connect an email inbox to your workspace, so you can manage messages directly inside tasks. Inside Email Integration, select Email Clickup. Enabling this feature is what unlocks the Email tab inside Tasks. Once you are on the Email Clickup page, choose the option to sign in with Google and follow the prompts to link your account. If you use another provider, this is also where you would connect an Outlook or IMAP inbox, but the main idea is the same. Authorize Clickup so it can send and receive messages for you. After you connect your email, stay in the Email Clickup area and open Email Accounts. This is where you can review which inboxes are connected. Take a moment to also look at signatures and templates. These sections help you keep emails consistent, especially if you send updates often. A saved signature can automatically appear in your outgoing messages, and templates can speed up replies while keeping your wording on brand. Next, go back to Email Accounts again and turn on the option that posts replies to emails as threaded replies instead of new comments. This is an important quality of life setting. It keeps long conversations organized, so each reply stays in the same thread in the task activity, instead of scattering into separate comments. Now choose the space where you want email to be available. Select the space, then use the selection field and type the space name to quickly find and confirm it. This makes sure the email feature is enabled in the right place, so your team can use it where the work actually lives. With setup complete, return to your list and open a task, such as a meeting task. Inside the task, scroll to the comment area. Click into the comment field, then switch from comment to the email tab. From here, you can compose an email tied to this task, send it out, and when the recipient replies, that reply will appear back in the same task activity feed. This keeps context, files, and follow-ups all in one place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.